Alright, here's an explanation for the homework assignment for Cal 1, page 68, 45 through 57 odd, and 63 and 65. Number 45, you're taking the limit as x approaches -1 of x squared minus 1 over x plus 1. So we're going to see if we can simplify this rational function so that we can get something that we can actually take the limit of. In that process, we're going to see if we can factor our function, and we can. Our numerator is a lovely difference of squares that we can factor into x plus 1, x minus 1, okay, all over x plus 1. Now that we have it factored, we see that we have a common factor of x plus 1 that we can cancel out, leaving us with just x minus 1. So we can, by substitution, take the limit as x approaches -1 of x minus 1. Plug -1 in here, -1 minus 1 gives us a -2, which is our answer. Number 47, we're taking the limit as x approaches 2 of x cubed minus 8 over x minus 2. Now I wrote down the form for the difference of cubes because we will have to factor this, and I can see in my numerator that so I have something that's cubed minus something that's been cubed. To get 8, we cubed the number 2. So we can write this as x cubed minus 2 cubed over x minus 2. Now we can use this form to factor out our numerator. Here, so we cubed an x and we cubed a 2. So this is going to be x minus 2. And then we've got x squared plus x times y. So we're going to do a 2 times an x. 2x over y squared, which is going to be 2. Okay, y cubed, 2 cubed. So this is going to be 2 squared, which is 4. Okay, all over x minus 2. Now you can see that gave us a nice common factor that we can cancel out, leaving us with x squared plus 2x plus 4, something we can plug 2 in for x, and we get 2 squared plus 2 times 2 plus 4, and that's all over 1. Simplify that a little bit more, and you should get 4 plus 4 plus 4 over 1. 12 over 1, or just 12. Numerator stays x minus 5. Don't have to do anything to it. X squared minus 25 factors into x plus 5, x minus 5. Now again, that provides us with a common factor in our function we can cancel out. I rewrite this, I've got 1 over x plus 5. And I can take the limit of this as x approaches 5 by substitution. And that gives me 1 over 5 plus 5, which is 10. 51, we're taking the limit as x approaches -3 of x squared plus x minus 6 over x squared minus 9. Of course, if we plug -3 in for x, we're going to end up with 0 in our denominator. So we need to factor this rational function. Look for ways to factor it. I can recognize this trinomial, something that I can factor quickly into x minus 2, x plus 3. And you can check that by FOILing it out and ending up with what you started with. Our denominator, x squared minus 9, can factor a 3. X plus 3, x minus 3. We have a common factor of x plus 3 that we can cancel out, and that will leave us with x minus 2 over x minus 3. We can plug negative 3 in for x, get negative 3 minus 2 over negative 3 minus 3. Gives us negative 5 over negative 6, or